Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Pulsechain to Trezor. First, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to your computer using its USB cable. It's crucial to ensure your Trezor device's firmware is fully updated for optimal security and compatibility. Next, open your MetaMask browser extension, which will serve as the bridge between your Trezor and the Pulsechain network. This initial setup is quick and ensures a smooth process ahead. Once MetaMask is open, click on the circular account icon located in the top right corner of the extension. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Connect Hardware Wallet. This will open a new window where you'll choose Trezor from the available options. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect your Trezor device to MetaMask, confirming any actions on your Trezor screen. Now, within MetaMask, click on the Network drop-down menu, usually displaying Ethereum mainnet. Scroll down and select Add Network, then choose Add a Network manually. You'll need to input specific Pulsechain network details: the network name, a new RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, and the Block Explorer URL. These details are essential for MetaMask to correctly interact with the Pulsechain blockchain. After saving the Pulsechain network details, confirm that Pulsechain mainnet is now selected in your MetaMask network dropdown. Your Trezor-connected accounts within MetaMask will then display your Pulsechain assets, including PLS and any other tokens you hold on the network. You are now ready to securely send and receive Pulsechain assets directly through your Trezor device, managed via MetaMask. Enjoy the Pulsechain ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.